What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Acer Studio. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to dodge and burn and how to create your own retouching, dodging and burning actions. So let's get started. Well, I would like to summarize what I did. We went on from year to year and the tutorial is already on the video, so on the channel I mean. So we did some color correction, frequency separation by blending the skin tones, eye balancing and color grading. So we went from there to here, and these are the steps. So I'm just going to get rid of this one, delete, and I'm going to select the one we've worked on. Now we want to dodge and burn on this image, and as well as retouch, create our actions. So for you to create the dodging and burning action, as you are doing your dodging and burning, you're going to bring out the action, but you can see mine is already in this place. If you see this play button, it means it's the action, or you can go to Windows and select action if you don't see yours. Now, first thing you need to do is to create a layer. Let's create a dodge and burn layer. Name it dodge, D-O-D-G-E, dodge and burn, B-U-R-N. Hit enter. Now you're going to create under the dodge and burn folder. You're going to create an action. So you name it dodge, D-O, dodging and burning, B-U-R-N-I-N-G. It's enter. Now it will bring this. You can see that when I put my mouse over this record button, it's showing this no signal, this no signal. It means that whatever you're going to do now is going to start recording it, and you can stop and you can continue. Okay, so now let's start by creating the dodging and burning layer, which is curve. So create the first one, curve, and let's drag it. You can see that it's recording it. You can see the recording, type curve and whatever you're doing. Now I'm going to bring this up just like this. Let's bring it up very well. In case of other photos, I'm going to leave it and I'm going to name it burn. Let's name it burn, dodge, D-O-D-G-E for this. So brighten the highlight. I'm going to create another layer and invert the mask. Select the mask, invert, Control I, and create another layer, curves, and we're going to drag it down this time. So something like this, not too much. Okay, all right, and let's hit the X button. Name this burn, B-U-R-N, and hit enter, and then invert the mask, Control I. All right, let's select the black and white foreground color. Okay, no, so I've selected the black and white foreground color. The foreground color needs to be white, meaning you are going to select the brush. So now you can start your dodging and burning. So once you're through with the action, hit the close button, and we're going to test it at the end of the video, so just stay in touch. So I'm going to close it. We already have our action, and now let's take it in. All right, so let's do the dodging and burning. Now for you to do the dodging and burning, you have to focus on the highlights and the shadows. Now if you look at the face, you can see light on this side, so we'll add lights to some places we want. Okay, I'm burning, Control Z, select the the dodge, and we're going to do it like this. So I'm just going to hold down shift and focus it more on that area, make it small. I'm just enhancing the highlight the more, so not there. So I'm going to do it like this. Okay, and focus more here and here. Let's focus here. Make it bigger and draw one. Okay, so something like that. I'm going to go ahead and do this as well. Okay, and maybe somewhere here. All right, let's do one here and there, and let's bring this. We're trying to carve the face so it looks more 3D. I'm going to bring this like this, and one here, put here, here, and here. All right, I'm gonna do it on the, and on top of the leaves, don't forget you need to do the dodging and burning as well, and something like this. All right guys, I think we're through. Now it's burning, so I'm gonna bring this and I'm gonna do it like this, and focus more on this side. Okay, let's make it smaller. All right, so something like that. Take note of where I'm putting my slider, because I'm just putting it just way close to get some 3 dimension. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm also going to focus more on the lining. Alright, so if you are done, go ahead, go and bring the windows, go to windows and go to properties, and you're going to blow it. I would advise you to zoom out, and let's go ahead and increase the feather, so till you can see less detail. So something like that should be fine. It's okay. Choose the other one for the dodge and increase the feather till you get a, so something like this. So when you have a smooth transition, then you are good. Let's take this back a bit. Yeah, so I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to adjust. Just keep adjusting. Go ahead, select this. Now we are good. Alright, so let me zoom in, and then we've dodge and burn. So control, select, group it together, and this is our before, and then this is our after. This is our before, and then this is our after. Okay, so you can create more, yeah, increase it more. Go ahead and take it up to more, and there we go. Okay, and this one as well, you can bring it down, and you're going to have this 3 dimension. I just enhanced it, and you can see the difference. So this is before, and then this is after. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Once again, this is ASAS Studio.